Good day, everyone. Today we are going to learn how hackers can gain access to your WhatsApp account. This video is for educational purpose only to help you stay alert and protect yourself. This video is created for education and awareness purpose only. It is intended to help viewers understand how to identify scams, avoid hacking, and protect their WhatsApp account. We do not support or promote hacking, illegal activity, or the use of malicious software in any form. All tips shared here are based on public cybersecurity best practices and are designed to empower users to stay safe online. This is for educational purpose only with the help of Set IT College. Please stay safe and use WhatsApp responsibly. So, today we are going to use three tools. That is our Kali, our Python, and ATML. So let's go to our Kali terminal. In our Kali, let us use the terminal. So let us update it. That's our password, and then it is updating. So bam, it is updated. So let us upgrade it too. So we need to upgrade so that you can get the latest tools to do this project. To do apt update and so we are upgrading our system. So now our system has been getting the latest tools. So the second tools we are going to use is T-Bomb. Most of the hackers, this is the tool they use to hack your WhatsApp account, your Facebook, your mobile money, your bank, and those things. So let us see how they used to do it. So let us go to our C-Bomb dashboard. So CD, and T-Bomb. So now we're in T-Bomb dashboard. So let us get this T-Bomb. So T-Bomb.sh. So right now, please, this video is for educational purpose only. Don't try it at home. If you try it, I will curse you. It's for only for educational purpose. We want to learn how the hackers get an access to hack our WhatsApp, our SMS, our mobile money. So we are continuing. So we are in T-Bomb dashboard. So we have SMS bomber, call bomber, mail bomber, and others. So let us click for and then update it first so that you can emulate it. So we are downloading the latest file. So let us press any key. So boom. So let us go back to the C-Bomb. This video is only for educational purpose only. Don't try it at home. If you try it and we get you, I'm out. We are learning so that you can be aware and be safe. So let us press any key to go inside and then the password. Okay. So now we're in a T-Bomb dashboard. So you have option 1, SMS bomber, option 2, call bomber, option 3, mail bomber, option 4, update to Linux, and option 5 exist. So today, what we are going to do is WhatsApp. We are going to hack WhatsApp account. So we are going to use the option 1, SMS. The same thing can hack your WhatsApp account. So let us press the option 1. Let us wait. Checking for the update. T-Bomb is update. And then now the number we want to hack. The country code. Every country have their own code. Ghana is +233. So the plus is already there. So we are going to use the 233. So 233. And then the number, the targeted number, the targeted WhatsApp account you want to hack. This one is for educational purpose. So I'm using my own WhatsApp number to hack myself. So 241400137. Please again. This video is for educational purpose. Don't try it at home. If you try to try it, I will curse you. So enter number of SMS to send. This point you don't understand because you are not ethical hacker. If you want to know details or know more, join Search IT College to know more. So enter number of SMS to send, mass storage is sended. This one you don't understand unless you are an ethical hacker. So if you want to understand more, join Search IT College so that I can teach you more. This one is for educational purpose. So I will press 5. And then enter delay time. Delay time too, you don't understand because you're not ethical hacker. So I'm just teaching you how the hackers try to hack your number. So I'll type 3. And then enter number of thread. I will type 1. All this thing, you are not an ethical hacker. You are not a student or you didn't learn anything about ethical hacking. So you don't understand. If you want to understand more, come and join Search Ethically. So I will enter 1. So boom. This is where the magic is going to happen. And then I have already created a Python code. That fake link I'm going to send to this particular WhatsApp number. So in case when I send that fake link and then this number try to click the link, then boom, it is done. It is finished. We are totally complete with that person. So let us go to our Windows terminal. That is CMD. Let's go and run our Python code, that fake link. So CMD. So right now, this is my Python and HTML code. That fake one. This is the folder. This is the Python code. This is the Python code. And this is the front end, the HTML. This is the front end code. So now, our folder is on the desktop. This is the folder. We call it WhatsApp hacking. So we are going to run this through our terminal. That is CMD. So let's just go open CMD. So CD. C. The folder is on the desktop. So C drive. This is the folder. WhatsApp hacking. So, desktop and then users and then the username, there's more and then desktop. This is the folder name. So we are going to open it here. So WhatsApp underscore hacking. We are going to run this. Bam. So we are in that folder, WhatsApp hacking. This is the folder. So we are going to run this. That Python, this code. This code is going to do the magic for us. Yeah. So let us get it. So Python. App name. This is the app name. App.py. So it is here, app.py. So we are going to run it. Boom. Now we got it. So it is running perfect. And remember, we have linked this to our Kelly, to this. So if you succeed here, then we are going to get the WhatsApp here. If you succeed at the CMD, then we are going to get full WhatsApp here. So when you succeed, when the person clicks the fake link, then we control everything here. So you remove the person account from on his or her phone so that the person will not get access to his own or her own WhatsApp again unless that person calls WhatsApp. But before he or she call WhatsApp. You're already done with her. So let us continue. So now let us open this link on our web browser so that you can create that fake link. Now, boom. Set artically WhatsApp hacking. So this page, that's the page we are going to send that fake link to that particular WhatsApp number. So you see this is the number, this number is the same number here. This is the same number here. This is our targeted user that are targeting a WhatsApp number. The same number here. So we are going to add some title. So free title is supposed to use. So mostly some of the messages or WhatsApp messages that comes to your phone or on your WhatsApp or your SMS. So let us use maybe congratulations, you have won a new iPhone. Click here to claim your prize. Or maybe hi, we are hiring remote workers and paying 1,000 Ghana cedi a day. So click here to register. Or sometimes you can get some link. MTN is giving you 1,000 gigabyte free data to loyal customers. So hurry up and claim yours. All these links are fake. You understand it? Or maybe they can send you a message. Maybe your WhatsApp will be deactivated in 24 hours due to suspicious activity. So all this link, WhatsApp will not send you all this link. MTN, if they are giving something, they will give it to your workers. You didn't contest anything, so they will not give you anything. So if in case you get this kind of test on those things, ignore it. You understand it? So let us use the congratulation one. Because people are greedy. People are waiting for get WhatsApp. But if you didn't enter any contest, how did you win something? You didn't enter any contest, so you didn't win anything. So if they are telling you have won an iPhone 14 Pro Max or 15 Pro Max, meanwhile you know that you didn't contest anything. So how can you win an iPhone 18 Pro Max? So let's use that test. Congratulations. Yeah. Let's see. You have won a new iPhone, maybe 15. So click here to claim your price. Yeah, claim your price. So this is the link we are going to send to this particular WhatsApp number. You can send through SMS or WhatsApp. So by mistakenly, if I send this link and that user is ignorant, that user don't care about anything, and they just click the link, then it is finished. Then that user is giving us a full authority to control his or her WhatsApp. And then he will struggle before he can get out from that hacking, because when they get you, they will try and do everything quick. Maybe within some 10 minutes, they're already done with you. So let us send the link to that user. Bam. You have sent that link to that particular user. So let us get into our WhatsApp on my phone and see that whether the link is there or not. So let us go to the WhatsApp. Yeah, where is it? WhatsApp. Okay. So boom, this is the message. Congratulations, you have won a new iPhone. Click here to claim your prize. So I will receive the message. So by mistake, if I click this message, then I'm done. You don't know anything. After you click that message, then your WhatsApp will be locked out. They will tell you, enter your number again. When you enter your number, they will tell you, enter the PIN. They will send you a SMS code so that you enter it into your phone so that the WhatsApp will unlock. But all the SMS message they will send you, you will receive it here in our Kali. You will receive it in our Kali. So as soon as you send it, you just use to enter so that you cannot have an access to your own WhatsApp. So so that is it. So today this is the video. So tomorrow or the next video, we are going to learn in case of they hack you, how are you going to recover? Or how are you going to get your WhatsApp back? So come back for more. So this is it. I am Desmond Kentry from Search IT College. Let me give you some tips so that you'll be aware. Never click on unknown or suspicious links. Don't forward messages without verifying the source. Always confirm directly with the sender if someone feels off. Enable two-step verification in WhatsApp settings. Report and block suspicious number. So to learn more, to do more, you cannot solve a problem without understanding the problem. So join Search IT College to learn more. You can visit our website www.searchitcollege.com or call our number +233 241 400 137 0241 400 137. I'm Desmond Entry. So the next video